Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss about plant location. So from this word only you can understand what is plant. Plant is basically the production house where the whole production process goes on, and from the location you can understand something, a place which is situated in a something related with situation, right? A place where it is situated. From the word location, you can understand that a geographical location. So, what is facility or plant location? Plant location is a part from production management, and it's one of the important part. And from here, several numerical also, we can identify which location is better. We can choose that. So from the answer we will get from the numerical, we can understand. And first of all, I'm going to make you understand what is facility or plant location. Facility location or plant location is the process of determining a geographical site for a firm's operations, achieving maximum operating economy and effectiveness. Yes, that the thing that I was saying, what is location? It is a geographical site, and why we need to choose facility or plant location, because for the betterment of the firm, for achieving maximum operating economic and effectiveness. From the word effectiveness we can understand we can get more production. Next, need for location decision. Why we need to take the decision for identifying a proper location for the firm. So for a newly started business, so when a owner or a group of people are going to start a new business, they require a new location and an ideal location where they can start the business, right? Where they will get the highest amount of production, where everything is present, and the place will be very much favorable for the whole production process. There will be no problem while the production is going on. Everything will be at the market, will be nearby, the raw materials will be present, several other factors which are required for the whole production, and the place where all the factors will be present in more or less basis, that place will be ideal for the production. And for identifying those factors, we need to go through this need for location decisions. When a business firm wants to expand by adding new location, when a kind of business, a firm wants to expand, means if I am in this stage and I want to expand my business, and for that I want to build a new firm where I can grow my business, where I can increase my level of production. So for that also new firm is required, and for that new firm a new favorable location is required. When an organization required for space due to growth in demand and service. Similarly, when there is an increase in the production, and why the production increases, because that product has a high demand in the market, and due to the demand in the market, the production house need to install a new install a new firm where they can expand their production, and for that they require a new location. Relocation due to rising cost of inputs or raw materials. So it happens when the raw materials or the inputs that are required for the production of output or the finished product, when there is a rise in the price of these materials, that will be further required in the production process, and in that stage the owner, the managers need to relocate the firm where in a place where the the raw materials price might be less from this original place where it was previously present, and for that also relocation is required. Other social and economic reasons are as follows. Due to shortage of labor, there might be shortage of labor, like there might be the manpower is not available in that way. There might be shortage of that. Electric supply, the place might be very rural, and due to that the electric supply is not up to the mark, and load shedding might be taking place, and this is also creating a huge problem in the production. Changes in lifestyle of customer, so the customer might not be liking the product, and they might be liking they might be liking some other product, and for that also the production house needs to change their product, and for that also they needs to change the location of the firm. Factors affecting location decisions. This is very important. What are the factors that are affecting the location decisions? Availability of raw materials. Okay, availability of raw materials is a very important process. So this will reduce the cost of transportation of raw materials from its source to the place where the plant is located. For example, steel, sugar, paper and cement industries which use bulky raw materials should be located near the sources of raw materials. So the production house which required a lot of raw materials, and from that raw materials a new kind of product is created, a new output is created, such as paper, such as steel, such as tea. The production house is situated near the place of the raw material, near the place of the mines, near the place of the crop field, so that the transportation cost become less. The other factors like perishability get decreased. These are the factors. Nearness to the market. For many firms producing customer non-durable items such as bread, ice cream, packed foods, mainly food items which are not having a huge time, and in that time limit they needs to get to the deliver to the desired shops, and that is the perishability means time period, and up to the time period only they needs to get delivered to the required shops, and for that it is necessary to be located near the market to reduce the transportation cost as well as reduce the time required for transportation. Also, when finished goods are bulky, heavy, fragile or perishable, the farms must be located near to the market to increase the speed of delivery. Very important, to increase the speed of delivery. Okay. And next is proximity to supplier. This is also same. Firms are located near their supplier because of perishability, transportation cost or bulkiness of material. Availability of power, that is electricity or the other power, that is coal, petroleum, that is required for generation of power. Power is essential for any manufacturing firm. Coal, oil and natural gas are sources of electric power in addition to generation of power through hydroelectric power stations. Some industries such as aluminium extraction plants consume heavy amount of electricity and hence require adequate supply of electricity at a cheap rate. So the products that require heavy amount of electricity, so for that it requires a very good supply of power, and in that case the availability of power become a very big factor. Transport facilities are essential for transportation of raw materials and supplies and employees to the plant, as well as carrying finished goods from the plant to the marketplace. Suitability of climate. We know that for production of cotton clothes and for cotton humid climate is required, and similarly in this way there are many products that require very good climate for their production. Certain industries require particular climate conditions because of the nature of their production. For example, humid climate is required for cotton, textile and jute industries. Also, dust-free climatic conditions are favorable for electric industries. There are several government policies, competition between states, availability of labor that I've also already said that the manpower plays a huge role in the production, and thus it plays a huge factor in the location decision. Civic amenities of employees. What is civic amenities of employees? Employees need facilities such as housing, medical facilities, sports and recreational facilities. So the basic facilities that needs to be given to the employees that will be working under the firm, and that are the civic amenities of employees. So the owners need to see whether the area where the firm is going to establish, whether from that area the I mean the employer the employees can get the civic amenities or not. Existence of complementary competing industries. Yes, complementary and ancillary industries can accept job offers which are subcontracted by major industries, right? So which are small industries, they can get contract for large industries. So these complementary industries help each other. Finance facilities like availability of banks, financial institutions, research and development laboratories is also a factor which attracts new uh, industries to a location. Availability of water, availability of firefighting facilities, local taxes, area of land, cost of land. Cost of land plays a big role. If the cost of land is very high and the owner might not want to buy that land, they might go for another land where the cost is less. Community attitude. So what is community attitude? Community attitude is nothing. The people living in the nearby areas surrounding the proposed site for the industry should not oppose the location of the plant. There should not be any kind of opposition from the local people that are staying over there. The reasons of negative attitude could be pollution, health hazards, dangerous fumes emanating from the industries, and other like rural side, urban side, suburban side, and we know that rural side has several many problems. Urban side has no there is not so much problem, but there is lack of place. Suburban side, which is a mixture of urban and rural side. So these are basically the factors that are affecting the location decision. And I hope you're getting the points. Methods of evaluating locational alternatives, and here I am going to evaluate this through factor rating method. Here in the left hand side the various factors are given and various ratings are given. Like availability of labor is given 2, proximity of market is given 3, and in this way the other factor ratings are also given. Then there are two location A and location B, and their ratings are also given, and we need to see which location will be favorable, and for that we need to solve this numerical. So here is a solution. From factor 1 we see that the output that is coming is 14 and 12. So in this way all the factors are being on the basis of all the factors the result is calculated. We need to multiply the factor rating into the desired location. Okay, for example, yes, for labor availability and attitude, here the factor rating is given 2 and the location A rating is given 7. So we need to multiply 2 into 7 and the actual rating is coming 14. And for B the rating is given 6. We need to multiply 2 into 6 and the result is coming 12. In this way I have calculated all the factors with the location. So the actual result that is coming, we can see based on the total score, location A which is higher score product of rating is the choice. So the location A will be the choice. In this way we are going to calculate. So this is one of the process, it is factor rating, and it is the next process. This is the next way. Locational break-even analysis or cost profit volume analysis. So here a question is given, and from here we need to identify which location will be based. So three locations are given, that are A, B and C for a new plant. Cost studies show that fixed cost per year at the sites are given. The amount is given respectively. Plant is designed to have an effective system capacity of these units per year and expected to operate at 80% efficiency. Variable costs are also given, there is 100 unit, 90 unit and so on. Which is the most economic location on the basis of output? So first of all, we need to calculate the variable cost which is given in 80% efficiency, and we need to calculate on the 80% efficiency. For that we need to calculate that 80 by 100 into 100, and those are already given, that is, and in this way we are going to calculate all the three. Now we are going to calculate the total cost, and the formula is given FC plus VC into Q. That is, from this formula we are going to calculate total cost for each location is calculated below. For A, total cost is FC into A plus VC into A into Q. Sorry, there will be a plus sign, and we are getting this result. And from all this result we can see, for B we are getting this, for C we are getting this, and for A we are getting this. We choose location A which has the lowest total cost. We need to, in this process we need to see which is creating the lowest total cost, and the location which will be, after calculation, the location will be getting lowest cost, that location will be more profitable, and that location will give more profit. The profit will be max for location having lowest cost. So with this I am ending the video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and I hope you understand the video, and if you have any queries you can please write in the comment section below. And till then, goodbye, thank you, and we will meet in the next video. Bye.